Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Easy Pass is probably one of the most essential tools for any frequent driver navigating toll roads, offering a seamless and efficient way to bypass lengthy queues and manage your toll payments with unparalleled ease, ultimately saving you precious time and reducing the stress associated with traditional toll collection methods, making every journey smoother and more predictable. Number 5. Easy Pass iPass SunPass Adhesive Strips. Introducing our premium adhesive strips, designed for your toll transponders. Ensure a secure and reliable attachment every time. Experience the difference with our extra strength adhesive. It provides a powerful bond that lasts, keeping your device firmly in place. Applying them is a breeze. Simply peel and stick to your windshield for a quick and hassle-free setup. These strips are built to withstand daily use. You can trust them to hold your transponder securely on any journey. Perfect for Easy Pass, iPass, and SunPass devices. They offer a versatile solution for all your toll transponder needs. Never worry about your toll pass falling again. Our strong adhesive ensures it stays exactly where you put it. What we like. If you need a simple and effective way to attach your toll transponder, these strong adhesive strips are a great choice. They offer a reliable hold without any fuss. If you prefer a permanent, no-nonsense mounting solution, these are for you. What people say. The strips are easy to apply, and stick well. My toll transponder was not sticking very well on the windshield. These items solve the problem. This has stayed up. Number 4. Prepaid Portable Toll Pass by ePass. Introducing the Prepaid Portable Toll Pass by ePass. This device offers convenient toll payment across 19 states, ensuring a seamless travel experience. To get started, simply activate your transponder online, through the ePass app, or by contacting customer service. It's a quick and easy process to ensure full functionality. Enjoy access to toll roads in 19 states, including Florida, Georgia, and beyond. This device works wherever SunPass and Easy Pass are accepted, providing extensive coverage. Its portable design allows for easy transfer between vehicles, including rental cars and motorcycles. Simply update your account with the new license plate information after transferring. With no monthly account fees, you can start saving on your tolls immediately. ePass users typically save around 30% compared to cash payments. This device works on all toll roads and most bridges, simplifying your journey. It can even be used for parking at select locations like Orlando International Airport. What we like. For the ultimate in toll road flexibility, this device is your best bet. It covers a vast network of states and can be easily moved between cars. If you frequently travel across state lines or use rental vehicles, this is the smart choice for seamless toll payments. What people say. It automatically deducts toll fees without stopping, which saves a lot of time, especially during rush hour. The signal is strong and it reads quickly at every toll booth without any issues. Transponder worked flawlessly, allowing me to travel without stopping to get a roll ticket or pay a toll. Saved money instead of billing by license plate. Automatically advanced funds as needed. Especially like the no monthly fee aspect, yes, you pay for the highway or bridge, but not just to have it and use it. And you can, after registering it, move it from one vehicle to another. Number 3. NuBliss Easy Pass Holder for Windshield. Tired of flimsy holders? Ours uses 3 heavy-duty suction cups to keep your toll pass firmly in place. Drive stress-free, no matter the road conditions or temperature. Installation is a breeze. Simply clean your windshield, slide in your transponder, and press to attach. No messy adhesives, just a clear view and a secure fit. This holder is designed for popular transponders like Easy Pass Mini and iPass. It's compatible with many models used across multiple states. Need to move it? Easily transfer your toll tag between cars in seconds. Just lift and reapply the suction cups for ultimate convenience. Constructed from durable materials, it withstands extreme heat, UV rays, and water. Your transponder stays protected, season after season. What we like. If you're looking for a secure and easy-to-install holder that won't damage your windshield, this is it. The triple suction cup design ensures it stays put, and installation is a breeze. It's perfect for those who want a reliable, temporary mount that's simple to transfer. What people say. This EasyPass holder works perfectly and has held up well in both heat and cold with no issues at all. I was especially impressed with how strong the suction cups are. Even with temperature changes, it stayed securely attached to the windshield and never fell or shifted. It did not interfere with toll lanes in any way, and the transponder was read correctly every time without delays or missed tolls. The holder feels sturdy and well made, not cheap or flimsy. It keeps the transponder secure while still allowing it to function properly. Number 2. EasyPass iPass Toll Tag Clear Tape Mounting Kit. Introducing a secure mounting solution designed specifically for your toll pass. It ensures a firm and reliable attachment, keeping your device in place. Featuring strong interlocking heads, this mount provides a secure connection with a satisfying snap. It's built for a long-lasting bond. Installation is a breeze with our Easy Peel and Stick application. Simply clean the surface and apply for a durable hold. This mount is water and temperature resistant, performing exceptionally well in various conditions. It's ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Made with high-performance adhesive, it offers superior grip on metals, glass, and plastics. Say goodbye to shaking or falling mounts. Each kit includes adhesive strips and an alcohol prep pad for optimal surface cleaning. Everything you need for a secure installation is right here. What we like. This kit offers a robust and durable mounting solution with its strong interlocking strips and included alcohol prep pad for optimal adhesion. It's designed to withstand various weather conditions. If you need a heavy-duty, long-lasting attachment that provides a secure snap-on connection, this is the one to consider. What people say. The EasyPass transponder is small and easy to mount. It works seamlessly with toll booths, saving time and hassle. The account management online is straightforward and user-friendly. Number 1. ePass Uni Prepaid Portable Toll Pass. Travel with ease across 19 states. This device provides seamless toll access, ensuring you can navigate toll roads without interruption. To get started, simply activate your transponder online or through the ePass app. It's a quick and easy process to ensure your device is ready to go. Enjoy the convenience of using this toll pass wherever SunPass and EasyPass are accepted. It's your all-in-one solution for toll roads nationwide. Easily transfer this portable device between vehicles, including rental cars and motorcycles. Just remember to update your account with the new license plate information. Experience significant savings on your toll payments. With no monthly fees, you can enjoy an average of 30% in savings compared to cash options. This device isn't just for toll roads, it can also be used for parking at select locations like Orlando International Airport. Drive smarter and make your journeys more convenient. What we like. For the ultimate in toll road flexibility, this device is your best bet. It covers a vast network of states and can be easily moved between cars. If you frequently travel across state lines or use rental vehicles, this is the smart choice for seamless toll payments. What people say. It worked perfectly at every toll, no issues at all. It was easy to set up and attach to my windshield. I love that it works in so many states, especially along the East Coast and Midwest. No more stopping for cash or guessing which pass works where. Works well with multiple toll services in multiple states. Cheaper than using toll transponders provided by rental car companies or using bill-by-plate systems. The tolls are cheaper this way. The app makes it very convenient to add money and has stats on how much you're paying and saving. The express lane cut down my drive significantly and I drove past majority of the standstill traffic on that awful highway. Not only that, but this thing works in several states. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.